How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 68 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. It's a true 138 VIN, done in a gorgeous steel blue metallic. Super slick, show quality paint. See, the bumpers have all been redone on the car. It's had a recent restoration. See how slick it is down the side, super straight. All the body fitment and panel fitment, very, very nice on this car. The rear bumper has all been redone. New taillight bezels. It's got your power disc brakes up front, power steering. Now the original motor has been replaced with a 454. Got a nice thumping cam in it. Aluminum intake. Got the factory exhaust manifolds into 2.5-inch duals. It's got your March serpentine pulley kit, aluminum radiator. See, all the jams are real nice. It's got the factory gauge package in the dash with the roller tach, and it does work. It's got an AM/FM CD stereo system, nicely mounted in the dash. Got your factory buckets and console. It's also been updated with an Ididit tilt steering column. Tell you, it's a super clean car. Original panels. I think it's had one panel replacement. Other than that, it's the originals. Trunk floor looks real good. Got your spare and jack. Tell you, it's just a super slick, and I love the color on this car. Just tough looking. Headliner's nice and tight in the car. It is the original dash. It's all in good shape. Fires right up. Sounds real good out of the exhaust. Got nice cam in it. Looks like I might have a bulb out there. We'll get that taken care of. Hey, it's just a super slick, solid car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.